As you level up your video and you start to vary your shots, you're going to find that a wireless mic becomes really handy. There are some newer ones, including this from Hollyland, that are super inexpensive. I'm going to try it out today and tell you some of the ways that it could come in handy. I'm here inside the car. The camera's there outside the car, but you can still hear me clearly. What a mic like this lets me do is talk to you from further away and have the sound still be clean and up close. So I don't have to be right next to the camera for this to work. I can even turn my back and you can still hear me, right? So some specifics. The mic is called the Hollyland Lark M2S. And what I bought was the ultimate combo pack. It has fittings for a camera, for USB-C, and for a lightning port that will work directly in your iPhone. It also comes with the cables you need to charge it and with windscreens for the two mics. Even though it connects directly to the iPhone, you do need an adapter if you have an iPhone case. And the same with this USB connection, you'll need an adapter if you're going to use it with the GoPro. With a mic like this, a wireless mic, you can try out cool shots like shooting from inside the mailbox, and as you get further and further away, the volume and the clarity of the sound should stay the same. This mic comes with this little softy device to keep the wind noise down, and you can hear the difference. It sounds better, doesn't it? As of today, that combo pack is $91 on Amazon, and you can buy various other combinations without all the pieces for as little as $73. Amazing for a wireless mic that works. Using a wireless mic, one of the things that can go wrong is you think you're getting the sound through the mic, but really you're getting the built-in camera mic sound. And so one of the ways to test is either the tap or the puff of air. The puff of air is the safest way to know because only the mic that you're blowing on will hear that. Then you know for sure that you're using the wireless mic and you're getting that sound, not the sound from the camera. What I've noticed about this mic is I don't think the sound quality is quite as good as the DJI mic that I usually use, and it seems like the connection is not quite as reliable, but on the other hand, it tends to sync up more quickly, and I've noticed when I hook it up to my iPhone, it's really easy and the sound is always there. For a mic in this price range, this thing is amazing. I mean, going from what we used to have to do, the Electrosonics mics, which were in the thousands of dollars, to those super cool Sennheisers that were in the hundreds, to something like this that works this well and this easily, it's just opened up so many doors for production. On this channel, I talk about going outside, I talk about drinking coffee outside because I love to do that, and creating content and shooting video outside. I would love for you to subscribe or comment so that I know I am not just speaking into the wind. And then I'd like to hear what you think of this mic. Will it level up your game? What will it let you do that you couldn't do before?